Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic. We're talking about that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those, you need to find where the relay for the radiator fan control module is located. If your fan doesn't work, car overheats, you may need to check up to 3 relays, or you may have a single relay. Stay with us, we're going to talk about that, where you can buy cheap relays, fuses from. That way you don't waste guys your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find guys a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So we're going to demonstrate here on a 2017 Honda Civic where the radiator fan control module relay is located. Now we have guys 2 different fuse boxes. We'll need to open the fuse box that's located under the hood right here in the corner. Let's just zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see that, and that's the fuse box guys right here. That's a car battery right here, okay, and that's your fuse box. You open that lid, that cover, and you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like that. This is the front of the car, this is the windshield, towards the windshield side. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now right here guys, what we need to check, okay, if we zoom in a little bit, I want to zoom in so I can clearly show you now, okay. The first relay that you need to check is that relay here. This is known as radiator fan relay. Now here guys could be different. You may have a big relay that serves as a radiator fan and AC condenser fan relay, or you may have 2 separate relays that you may need to check depending on the configuration, engine model and all that stuff. So but it will be in that box right here. Another relay that you might need to check, ours doesn't have that one, will be, you may have up to 2 relays here. We're talking about the right one right there. Okay, we don't have that one. Okay, we just have the big relay, and most of you will just have this one right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.